Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light lens in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light lens. The light lens covers the light bulbs, protecting them from accidental breaking. If the compartment door is left open for too long, or the light switch or the light relays is shorted out, that will result in a light lens meltdown. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the openings in the front of the lens, press the locking tabs and pull down on the lens to remove it. This is the old light lens next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new light lens with the two rear tabs into the cutouts and press it up to lock. Now we can close the door and plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.